How to fix draw missing on Instagram messages. So let's get started with the tutorial. If you can't draw on Instagram messages like this and send it to your friends or followers, then you are missing on Instagram. So now all you have to do is go back to the home screen, and either it is iPhone or Android, simply open the Google Play Store or App Store, and all you have to do is update the Instagram app to the latest version. Yes, Instagram latest version provides the missing drawing feature. Once you open it, tap on the search address bar and search for the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you do so, you will get to see the many options available on your screen, and from there tap on the original Instagram app. There you might see update option available, and once you update it, you can go back to the Instagram and simply look for that feature. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.